A round of applause to our healthcare workers. They are praised around the world for their hard work and sacrifice. In today's Best and the Bravest, we hear how healthcare workers have not gone unnoticed.
The Best and the Bravest, discovering the gems in everyday life.
Our doctors, nurses, technicians, pharmacists, and others who support patient care are rising to the occasion and caring for our most vulnerable population. Our country, though small, has pulled to show its appreciation.
We've had people bring food to the hospital, sandwiches, pizza, with water, drinks. People just have poured out enormously. And I just want to use the opportunity to express profound gratitude on behalf of all members of staff, on behalf of the University Hospital, for this enormous outpouring and goodwill that we have enjoyed from the Jamaican people.
Although COVID wasn't expected, they knew a time like this would come.
Medicine is a calling. It's not just a job that provides you a day-to-day living. It's a calling. You have to be very dedicated to it. And you have to sometimes place the well-being and welfare of your patients above your own well-being and your own welfare. There are times you're called to do that. If it's not a calling for you, you cannot survive. Certainly not in times like COVID.
And they have not only recognized themselves as heroes.
From whether it's a government, whether it's a private sector, whether it's a church community, families, various areas, they have joined together at an unprecedented time, and they have supported the medical community. Certainly we have been supported at the University Hospital. And we have been able to do what we have done and what we are doing because of the support that we have received from all the various aspects of the society. These, in my opinion, are the best and the bravest.
They're encouraging everyone to help in the fight.
And as I keep stressing, remember that we have asymptomatic people walking around. You never know who is COVID positive. Think about it. On any given day, the ministry, they give out a bulletin to say 100 people were tested positive over the last 24 hours. You need to remember that those 100 persons, they all have 100 different families, and all of them are going somewhere else. They're going to work, they're going to school, they're interacting with different people, they're going to church. So it's very important that people maintain social distances.
You have to wear your mask. You have to practice social distancing, right? You have to practice the appropriate hand hygiene. Please hand sanitize, preferably with a alcohol-based sanitizer, and to do frequent hand washing to avoid crowds, and I would say that these measures, they have been proven, they have been tested, and they work.
To all healthcare workers, we want to encourage you to continue to tell you that you are in our thoughts, hearts, and prayers. We thank you.
The Best and the Bravest, discovering the gems in everyday life.